Distance learning, it also offer global accessibility. No? Kahit na doing distance learning also from UK previously, I have already completed some advanced diploma, and that is via distance learning. So it has a global accessibility. No? And yung school doon sa UK, but still I am on board or I am during vacation, nakapag-distance learning ako. And the certification has a global reach. Kasi you can recognize yung certification, international talaga siya. And also, I am doing my master's degree via distance learning also. So, it is very important ngayon na integrate natin distance learning in maritime education. Thank you, and please follow my page, Pinoy Seafarer. Ganon. I have a lot of insights there and educational videos also. Ganon. Thank you.